All right, guys, we're back out here at the big garden this morning, and like I said, the previous video, or you seen earlier, where we was pulling up our watermelons, or taking our harvesting our watermelons up. I'm gonna see if we can take this all-purpose cultivator and see if we can't drag some of those vines out and sort of clean it up just a little bit. And it's trying to rain that we're not supposed to be getting, but we're getting it. So, but I know we've got the storms that's down in the Gulf, and let's keep those people in our prayers. I saw where Mississippi and Texas can be affected by 2 storms, so let's keep those folks in our prayers. And if you're down there, just know that people are praying for you. But I'm going to try this. This is a different implement than you've seen me use so far, and show you this right quick. This is a all-purpose cultivator. Some people call it tillage tool, and it works kind of like a spring tooth harrow, but I don't know that you would actually call this a spring tooth, but it is spring loaded. But anyway, thought I'd show this real quick, and I'm gonna try to use it as a rake right now, and I'll probably drop it on down and plow with it too. But I got to get this fence down, move that post out of the way, and we'll back it in there here in a minute and see what we can do. I wished I could share some of this rain with you folks that need it, because I've watched others of you, several of you, and you're dry, and I wish there was a way I could share it with you folks. But anyway, I'm gonna see what this thing will do, see if we can back it in there and clean that up just a little bit. Okay guys, I'm happy with it. It's not the best, but I did discover something else while I was doing this that I didn't know. I don't know if I got enough for a mess. Yeah, but look here folks, this is what this damp weather causes. You get aphids on your peas, but I've got peas in here that's ready. Yeah, I see some up there too, so I may try to do that before I finish up here. I didn't bring a bucket, but I'll make do. May have a sack in my truck, so I can do that. I'll have to walk in there and check those big boys too. I'm not seeing any here, but that don't mean nothing. I didn't see these till now. I knew I was getting close, but I didn't know I was getting that close. But anyway, thank the Lord we're gonna get them, and the deer's not. So folks, that's about all I got for today, and I appreciate you watching. And I might do a video with the 8N, getting it out and showing you running the bush hog with it just a little bit. I'm sure most of you've probably seen that, but that's one thing I don't have on there of it, and I hadn't put it on lately, so thought it might be about time to get it back out so it don't get jealous. But I'm looking forward to digging these sweet potatoes. I really am. We like our sweet potatoes here, and see what we have there. And I guess that row of tomatoes I'm gonna have to, well, if I take the fence down I can get it down, but like it is I'll have to pull them out. But there's a few, we've got a few of those off, but this old Johnson grass has just took everything. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this up, and appreciate you watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you got a way on social media that you can share the video, do that. I appreciate it. And just got a different piece of equipment out to try out today, and let you see that. And that's actually a good little all-purpose cultivator. I've used it in this field quite a bit over the years, and you can take a piece of ground with that that's not been broke, and you can drop that thing down, and I mean it'll tear it up, and then run over it with a harrow a few times. I've actually did that in years past. And but anyway, I'm gonna hush and I'll get to rambling. So I appreciate y'all watching. You have a great day. We're gonna see if we can pick a few peas, put this fence back up, and get back home. We've got tomatoes that need to be put up, and I've got a pumpkin now that I've got to do something with. I don't want it to lay out and rot very long, so I've got to do that. And to top all that off, these videos need to be edited, so I try to edit them, and that takes time too. So anyway, I don't mind it. I enjoy doing it. So we're gonna get off of here. Y'all have a wonderful day, and until the next time, we'll talk to you again.